It's freaking crazy, man. You should see what me and Tim got on video. I know, right? Oh, I got the phone.
Over.
Hello? You see what's going on up there, man? I got on video and everything.
We're gonna take a bit of a break and we'll be back in 1 minute. Stay with us.
No, I'm looking at it right now. This channel is hitting my sister-in-law's aunt right now. And Bridgeport is coming over. I'm fucking serious. We're about to go in the basement right now. I'm outside recording shit. Dude! Hello? Yeah. I know we're in the basement right now.
Bugs, rats, and mice living and growing.
What?
Kitchen and bathroom around your kids, pets, and food. So stay tuned to find out if you can get it.
Yeah. Why are you going to school? Oh, okay, alright. Alright. Hello? Let's go, open the door. And get this on video. No. Well, look at the bird. Why is the bird out? And she might be down to the ground. Oh, hear that?
Yeah.
Did you hear the siren?
Yeah, who are you talking to? Where's mine at?
No, I'm doing this.
It's about anybody.
Oh, you wanna run? Come on, don't scare me like that, man. Yeah. Watch.
You hear him?
Dude! Yeah.
It's fucking crazy.
Hey, I'll call you back, alright? Back. Hello? He's right here. Here, Tino. Samantha! Oh my God! Hey, Chloe, don't leave me! Oh my freaking God! Chicago South Side. It's like cornfield. Man, it makes up on the roof too. Oh yeah.
Holy shit.
I did like saying the shoes there.
Crazy with the grill.
3 minutes.
Oh man. I want to think about the street on fire.
Oh. Can't say that.
Dude, the sun's getting closer and closer. Close the door and run. Yeah. What the fuck? That's okay.
Well, his basement has windows here.
Oh, after that.
Watch out. Oh, that's
Grab the train and fuck the line. Down right here.
Why are you trying to jinx everything?
I'm not saying.
Nah.
There's too many moves.
Twisted.
Yeah. Shit. Oh, it's shit.
Yep.
Wanna feel the vibe? Wanna feel the beat? Holy shit, man. I'm fucking scared.
Guys, better go home. Guys. It's like for Super Troopers, Mother of God. The Super Troopers, that guy drives fast on the beginning, he's like, Mother of God. No, Mother of God. No, it's Mother of God. Go on. That device just went out.
Little bitch.
Did he? Or did he went pantry? He went in the pantry. Oh no, he didn't.
Real.
It's like Titanic.
You cry, little bitch.
Man, they got that flood. Getting the big flood. Go on.
Mr. Man.
Rugby in the Premier League back in England used to.
Mother of God. Easy, man. Yeah, it's alright now.